Cacio e Pepe, one of the most iconic and authentic Italian pasta dishes. First off, sorry for my voice, that's what it is, I lost it and today you're gonna have to listen to it. Cacio e Pepe is the perfect representation of Italian food simplicity. Yes, because it's made with just 4 ingredients: pasta, black pepper, cooking water, and cacio. Cacio is the Italian word for cheese, and to be more specific, this is Pecorino Romano DOP. Let's start with breaking down this DOP label, because you're gonna see it and hear it a lot in my videos. DOP is an European certificate, in Italian Denominazione di Origine Protetta, Protected Designation of Origins. In English, is an European quality label that certificate that a product has been made in a specific geographical area following specific rules and using specific ingredients. The Pecorino Romano has this label. It can be produced in just 3 areas of Italy: the Lazio region, the one that has Rome in it, Sardinia, and the province of Grosseto, a Tuscan city. Based on which areas it comes from, everyone other than the DOP label has its own specific label. Those areas at the entire central Italy are shepherds areas. People have been having cattle and sheep for thousands of years. That's why this cheese is made completely by sheep cow. In fact, pecora, pecorino, is the Italian word for sheep. It's a hard, cooked cheese with a strong flavor and a little spicy note into it. The entire wheel has specific characteristic of weight, height, and diameter, and usually has this characteristic black crust, which is not absolutely required. You can also find it without it. It has a compact, slightly open texture, color range to white to straw yellow depending on how aged it is, and the flavor is very intense, aged, and almost spicy. About the other ingredients, pasta works both dry or fresh pasta. Choose the shape that you want. The most authentic one is spaghetti. The pepper, try to get the whole peppercorn and ground it at the moment. The flavor, it's so much better. But now let's get into the recipe execution, which is extremely fast, and if you have the right tips, easy. First step is gonna be boiling our pasta water. Yes, because we're gonna need the cooking water to move forward in the recipe, so you wanna get that going right away. Once it's boiling, don't forget to salt it. Remember, the pecorino is a very salty cheese, so salt the water a little less than what you usually do.
While the water is boiling, start shaving some pecorino. I'll put the quantities in the description, but it's never precise. If you ask me, cheese is never enough. Add it to a bowl, season with black pepper and put it aside. Start cooking the pasta because you'll need cooking water to move forward. I call those spaghetti at first, but they're actually linguine, not that big of a difference. They're gonna need about 8 minutes to cook. While that is going, take a scoop of the starchy cooking water and add it to the cheese. Start by putting less water than you would. Adding a little more is easier than correcting a watery sauce. Whisk it at high energy until uniform. If it's too clumsy, add more water. If too watery, shave more cheese. Pasta is almost done. Heat up some black pepper to enhance the flavor, followed by a little bit of cooking water. As soon as pasta is ready, a couple of minutes under cooking instruction, add it to the pot with pepper, followed by a generous scoop of cooking water. Stir at high-medium heat until almost all the water evaporates.
Okay, here we have the pasta with the heat off, cooking water, and pecorino romano. When I posted this recipe on other social media, people were complaining about the pasta, the cheese getting clumpsy. To avoid that, always take some cooking water handy right here in case you need it. Right now we're gonna scoop this into the pasta and mix with energy. Another important thing, mix like at high speed so it's not gonna get clumpsy. If you see that it's too dry and clumpsy, just add a little bit of cooking water.
Another important thing is to let in the pan cool off a bit before adding the cheese cream. Keep whisking until you reach a uniform creamy texture and you're ready to serve it. If you want, add even more shaved pecorino and pepper to taste.
And here it is, Cacio e Pepe. Wasn't that easy? Let's give it a try. As I said before, pecorino has a very salty and strong flavor. You can use the same exact recipe execution using other cheeses that are a little lighter in flavor, like Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano, and it's gonna turn out amazing anyway. Now, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more recipes, to avoid highly processed food, and respect a little bit more your health. Thank you for watching. Ciao.